If you want to know how to full screen itch.io browser games, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you the easiest way to open an itch.io game and switch it into full screen mode so you can get a more immersive, better-looking gameplay experience. This is especially useful for browser games that feel too small on the page, and it only takes a few seconds. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open the game on itch.io in your browser. Once the game page loads, look for the Run Game button. Click that button to launch the game inside the browser window. In many cases, the game will open in a smaller embedded player at first, which is completely normal. After the game starts, look for the full screen icon. This is usually shown as the full screen symbol, Feature 4. Click that icon to expand the game into full screen mode. As soon as you do that, the game should take over your screen and give you a much larger view, which is great for both playing and recording gameplay. If the full screen button does not appear right away, give the game a moment to finish loading. Some itch.io games take a second before all the controls show up. Also, make sure your browser window is active and that you're not missing the game's own control bar, since some games place the full screen option directly on the embedded player. Once the game is in full screen, you can play normally with the extra screen space. If you ever want to minimize it or exit full screen, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. That will bring the game back to the smaller browser view so you can access other tabs, menus, or settings again. And that's really all there is to it. Open the game, click Run Game, press the full screen icon, and use Escape whenever you want to exit full screen. It's a fast and easy way to make itch.io browser games feel much more polished and enjoyable. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.